There we go. There we go. Got one. There we go. There's a frog bass. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. It's a nice one. It's a keeper size. See ya. Hey folks, welcome back to another video. This is Fishing with Fish Go. I'm your host Kevin. And I'm back at the duckweed pond, but it looks like half of it has cleared up. So I'm here, I'm doing a little bass fishing, but as soon as I get to some open water, I'm gonna start going for some crappie, because there is some nice sized crappie in this pond, and I have not been able to crappie fish here in a few months, because this duckweed has been covering this pond for a few months now, since the beginning of summer. So I'm hoping the crappie bite's gonna be on as well. See how we can do. Stay tuned. I'm seeing a lot of fish coming up really shallow and attacking bluegill or bait fish, but I don't think they want to. There might be some that don't want to commit to topwater so much, so I'm going to throw Texas rig weedless yum dinger, see if they come up and bite that. Oh, there's a fish. You got it? He's got it. Got him. Got him. Here we go. Texas rig, yum dinger. I like fishing the wacky a lot better, but when the weeds are like this, gotta go weedless. Look at that, bringing up a pound of salad with them. There we go. That is what I am talking about. Oh, he wasn't even hooked. He just kept his mouth shut. There we go. Yes. Look at all these weeds on here. And let me show you something. Think these fish aren't hungry? Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but the hook point is still in the side of the bait. There, I just popped it out. He never had the hook point in his mouth. He wanted that so bad that he didn't let go, even when I was bringing him in. It's crazy. That never hooked him. All right, let's try and go to get another one. Go. It's another crappie. There we go. It's another crappie. Walmart cocktail shrimp. How do you open this thing? I'm assuming over here. There we go. All right, just gonna use a whole piece on the first one. Let's see. Got a 2/0 circle hook here. I'm going to try and thread it through. Try and make sure it doesn't fall off the hook. And I think I'm going to leave that one whole. Or, you know what? I'll take a little chunk out of it. There we go. Cast that out and see what happens. There we go. One shrimp is in the water. I'm going to completely loosen the drag so when that fish takes off, it doesn't take my rod in the water. If a fish takes off. All right, one in the water. And it looks like we have one on right here. We got one. We got a catfish on right here. Yep. He is on. Yeah, he's on. He's on. Let me tighten this drag. Ah, he's on. Oh, that feels like a heavy fish too. That feels like a heavy fish. Oh yes, that is a big catfish. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Oh man. What is that? Is that a catfish? That is a catfish, right? Come on. He's all up in them weeds. Oh yeah, that is a big catfish. Big one. Big catty. Oh, that didn't take long at all. That was like 5 minutes. Ah, he's biting me. He's biting me. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's a catty. He's in the. Oh, there we go. Yes. All right. Now let's see if I can get them unhooked. I knew they were in here. I knew they were in here. That is a catfish. All right, buddy. I'll see you later. There you go. Get out of here. Well, mission accomplished so far. Cut up my thumb a little bit, but that's all right. Yes.